Playing the game of differences, my drawing, the photo. My drawing, the photo. What's different? What's different? That's all drawing is, really. Like,
Okay, yep.
piece of pie. Like, if you like those old games where you just spot the 10 differences in the cartoons.
Yep.
I used to love those games. That's training your drawing brain. I didn't know it at the time.
That makes sense.
But all we're doing when we're drawing is playing the game of spot the 10 differences. So once you are aware of that and you spot it when it starts happening, you'll go, oh, no, it's not a... Shut up, modern mind. Get out the room. I'm going to draw what I see. And what I see is a stick that looks wider and it's got some things on either side, and that's the shape that I see down here. I don't care what it is. I'm not giving it a name, because as soon as you use words, then it kicks in modern mind, which is the language and the words and the symbols, and so you just do the sizes, so the shapes that you see.